The Seven Tribes of Bukidnon. Kamolan Festival is the ethnic cultural festival held annually in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, from the second half of February to March 10. The anniversary date of foundation of Bukidnon as a province in 1917. It is held to celebrate the culture and tradition of the seven ethnic tribal groups, the Bukidnon, Higaonon, Talaandig, Manobo, Matigsalog, Tigwahanon, and Umayamnon. They originally inhabit the province. It is the only ethnic tribals in the Philippines.
Bukidnon. The Bukidnon tribe. The name Bukidnon means higher land or mountain dweller. Bukidnon is considered to be the food basket of Mindanao. It is the major producer of rice and corn in the region. Plantation in the province also produce pineapples, bananas, and sugarcane. Higaonon tribe. The northern and central regions of Mindanao, particularly in the province of Misamis Oriental, Bukidnon, Agusan del Sur, Agusan del Norte, and Lanao del Norte, are the habitation of Higaonon. Among all the ethnic groups of area, Higaonons are the least known. They are described as the people of living mountains and the people of the wilderness. Talaandig tribe. The Talaandig are one of the indigenous groups in the province of Bukidnon, who has continued to preserve and promote its indigenous costumes, beliefs, and practices despite the strong influx, modernization, and change. This group is found in barangays and municipalities surrounding the mountain of Kitanlad, especially in the towns of Lantapan and Talakag. Manobo tribe. Manobo simply means people or person. Alternate names include Manovo. The term may have originated from Mansuba, or combination of man, people, and river, Suba. Manobos are concentrated in Agusan, Bukidnon, Cotabato, Davao, Misamis Oriental, and Surigao del Sur. The Manobo usually build their villages near small bodies of water or forest clearings, although they also opt for hillside, rivers, valleys, and plateaus. The communities are small, consisting of only 4 to 12 houses. They practice slash and burn.
Matig Salog. The name Matig Salog is construction of Matig and Salug. Matig means from a place of origin or residence in various Filipino languages, followed by the specific place of origin or residence. Hence, Matig Salog means from Salug River. The Matigsalog epic Ulod provided a definite identity of this epic, which was documented by Manuel in 1956. Tigwahanon. The Tigwahanon Manobo are found along the watershed of Tigwa River in the place where the municipality of San Fernando is located. The Tigwahanon are scattered all over the municipality of San Fernando, Bukidnon, close to the border of Davao del Norte. The term Tigwahanon may have been derived from the Tigwa River where the Tigwahanon inhabits its bank and watershed. Umayamnon. These indigenous peoples dwells along the watershed of Umayam River in the mountains of Pantaron in eastern side of province of Bukidnon. They are fair in complexion, 5 feet or above in height. Their eyes are set close enough to each other with an average height of nose bridge. They are proud and reserved people. The people of Bukidnon, let us preserve the culture and tradition of the 7 tribes of Bukidnon.